So can you guess who's hiding in the picture? Scroll the picture to the right and to the left to select the right parts. Correct! Watermelon. Well done. Great! You found all the... Do you like playing hide and seek? Then looks like that's the wrong bunny. Super duper! Look! A new trolley's here! Let's play again! Incredible! Eggplant, you're the very best! And another trolley. Gather up the remaining bunnies. Strawberry. Incredible! Strawberry. Incredible! Strawberry. Incredible! Strawberry. Wow, you found all the bunnies! Bravo! Wow, the bunnies are going to fly! Quick, choose the right size platform for the bunnies and drag them to it. Banana. Just the ticket. Banana. Look, these bunnies want to fly on a helicopter too. Help them sit on the platforms. More passengers incoming. Put the bunnies on the platform for the helicopter to take off. Get the water to the end of the tube. Excellent! Put the bunnies in the trolley. Star 1. Extraordinary! I wonder what bunnies will grow here. Run your finger along the tube. Wow! What a little cutie! Put them in the trolley. Yeah. Trapeze tube. Just fantastic. Help your friends get on the road. Put the bunnies from the boxes into the right trailers. Pay attention to the bunnies already sitting there. Which bunny goes in this trailer? Daikon. Good work. Who's heading off now? Apple. Great! Which bunny goes in this trailer? Congratulations, you did it! Put the cute bunnies into the correct trucks. Look carefully and you'll see a clue on the side of the truck. Excellent work! You're the best! Great! Excellent work! You're the best! Great! Great! Excellent work! Great!